What is the Nintendo Switch Video Capture Rewind feature? Imagine capturing a moment from your favorite game just seconds before it happens, without having to plan ahead or press any buttons in advance. The Nintendo Switch has introduced a feature that allows players to do exactly that, providing a new way to relive and share their gaming experiences. This feature is called the Video Capture Rewind function, and it offers a dynamic way to record spontaneous gameplay moments. The core idea behind the Video Capture Rewind feature is that it continuously records gameplay in the background, creating a rolling buffer of recent game footage. When a player encounters an exciting or unexpected event, they can activate the rewind function to save the last several seconds or minutes of gameplay, depending on the settings. This means players do not need to manually press the record button at the right moment. Instead, they can simply activate the rewind feature after the fact to capture what just happened. This functionality is especially useful during fast-paced or unpredictable moments in games, such as impressive combat sequences, unexpected victories, or funny glitches. It allows players to preserve these moments without prior preparation, making sharing highlights easier and more spontaneous. The rewind feature is accessible through the system's quick menu, which can be opened during gameplay. Once activated, it saves the recent gameplay footage to the system's internal storage or a microSD card, depending on the model and settings. The length of gameplay that can be stored varies depending on the system's storage capacity and the specific game being played. Some games may also have their own built-in recording features, but the rewind function works across most titles that support video capture. It is important to note that the feature is primarily designed for capturing gameplay moments and does not replace traditional recording or streaming methods. Overall, the Nintendo Switch Video Capture Rewind feature enhances the gaming experience by enabling players to easily preserve and share spontaneous highlights. It encourages more dynamic and engaging content creation, making it a valuable tool for gamers who love to showcase their skills, funny moments, or epic victories.